Hello, this is Ravi Bhalera. I bought this car on the occasion of Ramnavami. My friends, they recommended me about PPF coating. So like I did little bit research online. So I found, like I came to know like Llumar is the best brand. I came to know like Autoz Ville. They are like dealer for Llumar, and Mr. Ambrose, he briefed me about PPF, this one new Llumar Velar. So we chose Llumar Velar PPF coating, and it includes ceramic coating, and it gives very good glossy look. और अभी डिलीवरी के टाइम जब देखा तो लुक एकदम टोटली चेंज हो गया है और फुल शाइनी, एंड लाइक यू कैन मेक आउट आवर फिंगरप्रिंट्स आल्सो, लाइक वी कैन मेक आउट लाइक सो परफेक्ट this cleaning, honing that for PPF they did was very good.